Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Tuesday the 10th of July. And today we had a little gap up and then the market just rolled over and then chopped sideways into the lunchtime period. We had two trades today, pretty quick ones. We were working inside of a maximum profit potential of 5 1/4 points or 21 ticks, but we took quicker trades and played it a little more safe. Actual entries and exits, we made 3 3/4 points or 15 ticks, so still not too bad on the day. At least we did in positive. Basically what we did on the day is we grabbed our first trade right around here. Actually, during this candle here, we went short, and you know, we took a little profit, and then it came back up and stopped us out on the remainder. Then we continued watching the market and got short around here, and we were able to you know, write this down a little bit, taking some profit. So all in all, pretty decent day. 3 3/4 points is not too bad at all. If you want to round down 3 points times $50 a point, you're looking at $150 made on the day. So definitely not bad in a 2.5 hour period. With that said, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. You know, every day we do focus on the ES or the S&P 500 futures market. I try to sprinkle a couple option trades here and there, just to give us you know, some more sources of income. But the ES has always been my favorite market to trade, and it's, you know, it's just something that I've always enjoyed, and being able to talk about it every day is definitely pretty cool. It's better than talking to myself, so you know, I still do that from time to time. But they say the ones that talk to yourself are smart, so that's what I'm going with. But anyway, it's definitely fun to be able to talk to other people about the ES, what I'm seeing, and you know, see that they're actually interested in what I'm saying, what I'm talking about, and to be able to coach clients as well, and to see them progress. And you know, again, that's one of the things a lot of people ask, the differences between the coaching and the course. You know, because there is definitely a price difference in the two. You know, the course, I teach my strategy. I go in detail about it and talk about what I do to trade. And you know, I have some other stuff laid in there as well. You know, some psychology and stuff like that. Well, the coaching, you know, I can, you know, coach you with my style, or coach you with, if you already have a style. You know, and I can, you know, change things up a little bit. If you already know certain things and we don't have to cover that, we can, you know, cover other things that you don't know. If you're having trouble, you know, I know some psychological methods that do work. They're, you know, obviously everyone's different, so you know, depending on the person, it's going to be different. So you know, you can't make like an FAQ on something like that, or if you did, it would be very, very long. But anyway, I just wanted to talk about that a little bit, and that's the main differences. The coaching is catered, the course is a lot of videos laid out, and you know, of course, you'd have access to me via email, and you know, I try to meet with people and talk with them, you know, after they've went through the material, and they, you know this and this, and they, you know, ask questions. You know, with this information, you know, I would go long here, go short here, and I would, you know, look at that and say, yeah, that's exactly correct, or you know, whatever. But that's basically the differences between the two. So hopefully that answers you know, a lot of the email questions out there. And if you have emailed me, I'll email you back regardless of if I, you know, talk about it in a video or not. So you know, so the emails will be there. With that, everyone have a great day. I'll see you in the markets.